Simon, chai. Damn, bro, you look like a man. Get ready, we are filming. I'm not going to show you, you look like a man right now. Bye. Hello everyone, good morning or welcome back to the channel. तो कुछ दिन पहले दिमाग पे एक आइडिया स्ट्राइक हुआ, मेरा नहीं, मेरे बहन का. तो she said, why don't you interact with some of your subscribers and make a video where they play a role as well. So I asked you guys if you guys could share your goofy, dark or any kind of stories, or you guys did. In fact, मुझे कुछ questions भी मिले हैं, but in order to keep it anonymous, I did not do it in my IG का वो ask a question site. I did it in that confess out site जो आप लोगों को पता होगा. Instagram पे भी मैंने अपना link छोड़ दिया था और YouTube का community poll पे भी मैंने अपना link छोड़ दिया था. A few questions and today we are going to answer them.
Okay, this one. Look. I had a cat. It was cute, but it died. And we didn't bury her. I mean, my parents didn't. And just a backstory, this cat had been staying with us for 3 years. She died. And I ate her.
What?
Yes. Why? I'm embarrassed.
For real, that person did that? What the hell? Why I'm embarrassed? That whoever that person is, at least you're embarrassed. Okay, so ये वाला मेरे page पे नहीं आया था. It came to my sister's page. But again, it's about me, so I'm gonna react to it anyway. I watch your brother's YouTube videos only at night because he turns me on. Exclamatory mark, exclamatory mark, exclamatory mark. Like what's the exclamatory mark, exclamatory mark, exclamatory mark, and one more exclamatory mark with a fever emoji. क्या बोलूं?
ये अजीब fetish ना?
You guys are hilarious, man. So your next one जो है, it's sort of like a same question, but said in like 2 different ways. The first one, I'll throw up everything on screen. So, do you interest in men? I mean, as in relationship with men. I am completely straight. ये misinformation फैला कौन रहा है? Why are you gay? I'm not. कौन बोल रहा है तुम्हें ये सब?
What will be Siddhant's gender? Male after operation.
Oh, so ये फैला. I am completely straight. That's what she does. Simo. Your style. More action. Once more. क्या कर रहा? एक बार. Once more. फिरी. एक बार. Please. Same वाला. Let's cook something new. I'm starving. I know someday it'll all turn around because all my. तुझे देख के कैमरा खुद से ऑफ हुआ बेबी.
Cannot handle the beauty.
अब सिंस इट्स लंच टाइम तो मैं आप लोगों को खाना से रिलेटेड मुझे एक क्वेश्चन आया था, उसका मैं रिप्लाई देने वाला हूँ. हाउ टू लूज वेट, हाउ टू गेन वेट, दोनों क्वेश्चंस आए थे. क्वेश्चंस अप ऑन स्क्रीन. तो इन दोनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर सिमिलर है, तो मैं आप लोगों को एक छोटा सा एक्सप्लेनेशन देता हूँ. तो एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. दिस कप राइट हियर इज योर बॉडी. इस पे अभी पानी नहीं है. पानी यहाँ पे हमारा एनर्जी की तरह काम करेगा. दिस राइट हियर इज योर फूड. तो आप खाना खाते हो, यहाँ पे आपके बॉडी पे एनर्जी फ्यूल अप हो गया है. अब ये फ्यूल अप हो गया है तो दिस एनर्जी विल बी यूज्ड बाय योर बॉडी. मगर आप अगर उससे ज़्यादा खाते हो तो व्हाट हैपेंस? एक और कप चाहिए होगा सो दैट वी कैन फ्यूल अप मोर. दिस राइट हियर इज डी नोवो लिपोजेनेसिस, मतलब न्यू फैट मेकिंग. अगर आप अपने नेसेसिटी से ज़्यादा खाते हो तो आपका बॉडी वो एनर्जी कहीं स्टोर करता है, वो है नया फैट सेल्स बनकर. नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर इज these fat cells they cannot be destroyed. तो now you basically know कि खाना अगर आप कैलोरीज ज़्यादा खाते हो तो वो आपके बॉडी में एनर्जी के फॉर्म पे स्टोर हो जाता है एंड दैट्स हाउ यू गेन वेट. नाउ दैट वाटर इज एम्प्टी बिकॉज आई हैव ड्रंक इट. नाउ मैंने अभी वो पानी पी लिया है तो वो वाटर खाली हो गया है. तो व्हाट आई हैव डन हियर इज दो कैलोरीज जो वहाँ पे बच गए थे वो मैंने इस्तेमाल कर लिया, तो वो अभी खाली हो गया फिर से. तो वो जो सेल फूल गया था इनिशियली वो अब फिर से छोटा हो गया. दैट्स हाउ यू लूज वेट. आई होप विद दैट इलस्ट्रेशन आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि हाउ यू कैन गेन और लूज वेट. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. अगर आपको वेट गेन करना है तो लो वॉल्यूम हाई डेंसिटी कैलोरिकली डेंस फूड खाइए. एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि बटर, चीज़, ये सब आप अपने डाइट पे ऐड कीजिए और उससे आपको हेल्प ये होगा कि वो जो खाने होते हैं वहाँ पे वो कम अमाउंट पे आपको ज़्यादा कैलोरीज देते हैं, तो आपको ज़्यादा खाना भी नहीं पड़ेगा और आप वहाँ से वेट गेन कर सकते हो. बट अगर आपको वेट लूज करना है, जो कि मैं मेन प्रीच करता हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव डन इट मल्टीपल टाइम्स, आई कैन गिव यू बेटर नॉलेज ऑन इट थ्रू एक्सपीरियंस. तो अगर आपको वो करना है तो आपको कैलोरिकली लो फूड खाना है. एग्जाम्पल कैबेज. अगर आप 300 ग्राम कैबेज खाते हो इट हैज़ 50 कैलोरीज. बट अगेन अगर आप 300 ग्राम मीट खाते हो तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा कैलोरीज हो जाता है. तो अभी हम जस्ट चाय वाय पी के सब कुछ ख़त्म करके बैठे हैं. आप लोगों को मैंने वेट लॉस, वेट गेन वो टिप्स भी बता दिया. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू आंसर दिस. The girl that I've been dating for 2 years is posting heartbreak and breakup quotes. When I asked her, she said, "It is not for you."
I mean, it's normal.
No, it's not. Stay woke, gang.
No, it's normal. Because
Stay woke. Something is off.
heartbreak songs are
The guy she told you not to worry about, something is off.
Tiger.
Next question. Do you have a girlfriend? No, I do not have a girlfriend. I do not do the dating thing right now. मतलब it's not that I'm close and like I'm not open to it. I am open to it, but वही है कि क्या I don't do dating. क्या बोल रहे तू?
Nice.
I don't do dating. She knows that. Do I date?
No.
That's it.
Stop.
ये नहीं बोलना था यहाँ पे. ये नहीं बोलना था ये.
Exes do you have?
How many exes do you have? Like, I don't have children with any, so I don't think it technically counts.
I lost count.
Exes नहीं है मेरे पास.
I lost.
Oh, yeah, this. मतलब I will put it up on screen, but फिर भी my cousin proposed me. I have been through worse and a similar scenario. I don't know if I should be saying it on the internet, but if that person is watching this video right now, just know that I'm telling that to you. ठीक है ना? Simple. But yeah, it was pretty worse, right? जो हुआ.
I mean, like every video I've watched about like the dark secrets, it is always related to cousins. Like someone has to say something about cousins.
Hi?
Cousins. Are
Even I
weird.
feel. No, but I will say personally, yeah, I don't have a lot of cousins, but except like a cousin or two, the other cousins that I have, they are blessing to my life. My Didi, I know, even Talaku Didi, Pamu Didi and everyone, they are indeed a blessing to my life. They are the sweetest people in my life, and you know, you don't need friends, jab your cousins.
When you have those cousins.
Yeah, when you have those kind of cousins. Hey, here I am to say that I have a crush on you since I started watching your YouTube videos. I extremely like your all videos. Thank you. कहाँ है मेरी ex? कहाँ है मेरी ex? कहाँ है मेरी ex?
Videos, कैमरा को पकड़ो.
हाँ?
कैमरा को कमांड क्या? He's ugly. Like, radiant.
At least I don't wear makeup.
Makeup can't fix your type of ugliness, does
Plastic surgery can.
it? Plastic surgery.
It's an option, bro. If this video gets enough views to fund for my plastic surgery, मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करने वाला. Okay, so this one is kind of deep. My imaginations turn into realities. I imagine someone dying back in 2017, and that person died in 2019, and series of events followed after that, and these series of events are actually my imaginations. Now I'm living the horror of being stuck in my imagination. Now the thing is, yeah, there have been instances, Jabba, like you think of something and then that thing actually happens, but I would say it could be coincidence. But again, even if your imaginations are coming true, you know, the emotion can only weigh you down so much. The more credibility you put into your emotions, the heavier they feel. So I would say try to do something that will keep you out of those imaginations. Like I found myself whenever I would be overthinking, because I used to overthink a lot. But Abhi, I'm a person who does not overthink at all. I mean, I do think of stuff, but you know, there's a fine line between overthinking and thinking. And I really feel that meditation would help you. Besides anything that would engage you in physical levels, that means, you know, I believe that you may know what the brain releases, the hormones, like, you know, oxytocin, serotonin, dopamine. When you do these kind of things that actually help you release them, then you will be in a better place. Try to engage yourself in physical activities. Try to engage yourself in events and activities that will keep your mind engaged, so that you don't feel stuck with those imaginations. Besides, who controls those imaginations? It's you, right? So you have total control over it, and I believe you can get over it. मुझे आप पे भरोसा है, कर पाओगे. Just keep pushing on through it, and one day you'll look back and be glad you did it.
No, it's like you're manifesting if you keep
Yeah.
on thinking and imagining yourself in that.
Your mind is like so strong. If you keep thinking about something, I read this quote once, and if I have the image, I'll throw it up on screen. I'll hide her face with that quote. So it said that if you always think of a yellow car, it's easy to spot a yellow car. If you always think of an opportunity, it's easy to spot one. जब आप कुछ चीज सोचते रहते हो ना, then your mind is like tuned to be thinking about it, tuned to be spotting it. So if you keep manifesting your emotions and your imaginations, then you are more and likely to actually see that happen. Even if it's not happening, your subconscious mind is telling you that that's happening. I mean, it's just my opinion, it's just my thoughts. We can have a conversation. Comment pe, nahi to DM me, anything. I would love to have these kind of conversations. Intellectual talks is something I enjoy. Even this person knows that.
Talk too much. Talk too much.
Ajay, which one is?
You have a good one.
Yeah, already done. Why are you gay that one?
Are you gay?
No.
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 No?
Oh.
No. A ghost spoke to me back in school. He said, come on, in a deep male voice. Like this one.
Did you go though?
Yeah. Did you go though? Anyways guys, with that being said, we've come to the end of today's video. I did not think कि मैं इतना enjoy करने वाला हूँ ये video film करते समय. It's like one cut, 7 minutes rolling, and I did not think इतना fun होने वाला ये video. I really enjoyed it. Next time we can have like sort of more like a bigger Q&A, because इस पे या हल्का एक दो question मैंने answer किया था. Next time we can do something more fun. If you guys want it, then yeah, hit me up. Comment पे बता सकते हो आप. Instagram पे you can message me, or anywhere wherever you can contact me, and I will surely get back to you. I really like interacting with you people, and yeah, we can do more of this. Confess Out का मैं link इसके भी description में छोड़ दूँगा या comment पे pin कर दूँगा, so that you can put more questions, confessions, anything. I really enjoy answering them though, like honestly, bro.
Especially the deep dark secrets.
Yeah, that cat.
Cat.
Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Do drop a thumbs up down below.
Don't eat
Subscribe
cats.
if you're new. Follow her, she's my sister.
Don't eat cats.
मतलब एक ही खून वाला sister. You बस viewers के सामने, you know. And I'll catch you all in the next video. और बताना जरूर कि इसको देखना चाहते हो कि नहीं आप दूसरे वीडियो में. Bye.